Hi everyone, Simon here from the Chapel Cafe. Hope you've been enjoying this time that you've been having with your friends or family under the level 4 restrictions. What we're doing now is obviously we're going to be moving to level 3 as of next week on Tuesday. We are proud to say we will be open. We'll be one of those lucky cafes that we can sell you coffee, we can do some food for you. So if you're hanging out for that coffee fix or you need a nice cup of tea along those lines and you want something nice to eat with it, will be your one place to stop. Now, it's going to be pretty simple. We've made this as easy as we can. Simply go to our Facebook page. Once you're on the Facebook page, if you're on your phone, go down to here. You'll see we've got the website. Click on the website. Once you've clicked on the website, it will automatically take you through to the next section. This will be our online menu. It's going to look something along the lines of this on the phone, depending on which phone you have. What you do, go through, select what items you want. There's our coffees. It's going to put a range of choices. Once you select your coffee, do you want large? Do you want a regular size? Do you want a jumbo size? Do you want a single shot, double shot, and so forth? Just below the coffees, we've got all our food. We've got burgers, we've got wraps, we've got fish and chips, we've got some tacos, we've got a chowder, we've got a soup of the day. Obviously, it's going to be specific to what we are doing on that day or for that period of the week. And we've got chips, wedges, we've got some curries. We're going to try something new. We're bringing in the Vietnamese curry guys. We've got our trusted and tried and true Moroccan chicken salad that everyone just loves, garnished with a nice pistachio nuts on top of it. Obviously, it's my favourite. We also have a roast veggie salad. Then we've got our cold drinks, peach iced tea, iced coffees, milkshake, smoothies, whatever you like. We're doing most of our normal menu. We're trying to make it as enjoyable for you as it is for us. Now, once we've gone through this, you choose what you want. You'll go up to the top of the page and there'll be a little cart, I believe. Let's scroll to the bottom. Look down the bottom here. It goes on how your method payments are. Once you've done your method payments, it will ask you to choose a pickup time. Once you've chosen that and you've processed everything and you've clicked pay, once that happens, it comes through to us. We will then receive it on my phone and we'll send you back a message saying that we have received your order. Now, if you don't have a mobile phone and you've only got a computer at home, don't worry. We've got exactly the same setup on the PC. There's only one little change. Rather than clicking on the website section, you just click right here, order here. And as we push that button, you'll see it start loading up down below me. When it loads up, it's exactly the same process. We've got a little cart here. I've already selected a coffee for myself. Let's go and order something to eat. So we're going to come down here. What do I feel like? I think a fish burger is going to go down a treat. So we'll click on fish burger. It says, do you want some chips with it? I want a half portion of chips. I'll add this to my cart. So once we've done the order, it's as simple as going up to the top of the screen, clicking on your little shopping cart. It's going to tell you coffee, large, and I've got a double shot, and I've got burger with a half size. This down the bottom here, we've got my card. I've already got that all loaded up. I've got my name, my email, my phone number, so I can get in touch with me. Obviously, it'll make it difficult. Then all we've got to do, scroll to the bottom of the page, place pickup order now. Once you do that, it's going to take you through to the next screen. And there you go. It's told me order's been made. So then I go through, I accept the order, we reply to you, and it tells you that your order's been confirmed. So simple as that, guys. Sorry, that's the order system telling me I've got an order. Simon's order, click on it, says it's pending. I accept it for you guys. Voila, simple as that. Well, we look forward to seeing you guys next week, and we hope you've enjoyed this time with your family and friends. And hopefully we'll be seeing you soon. Bye bye.